everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am doing my mid-monthly reminder of the current challenge that we have going on here on my channel. For this month, the month of May, the challenge is to make anything with a flower. I also had some additional questions. If you're not a paper crafter, you do not have to do paper flowers. You can show pictures of your garden, flowers from your table. It's just to have everyone join in and have some fun. I'm going to quickly go over the rules and then I'll show you what project I made for my mid-monthly challenge. I have been really enjoying my own challenges because it's been forcing me to use my supplies, make projects. I've had a ton of card orders and I've been taking those orders and using them into my challenges. So for me, it's been a lot of fun using all of my things and then trying to match up with challenges. And so let's quickly go through the rules. We are midway through our May challenge, which is to use anything with a flower. You do not have to mail your project in and you do not have to use dewdrops. To enter, you just have to do a VR showing your project using the theme of the month, which is flowers. Tag me at DoubleClick Connect. There has been quite a few people that have not been tagging me, and it's really difficult to find your entries when I'm not tagged because even though I have this very specific hashtag, when I search that, a ton of other videos come through and I try and filter them through, but I really don't want to miss anyone. So please remember to tag me when you post a VR. Leave a comment and please be a subscriber. The challenge is open all month long until the next challenge, and you can enter as many times as you would like, and then that will give you more opportunities to win. The prize is a bag of dewdrops. Okay, so in my original video, I didn't have these available when I was filming. Here is the flower challenge, and it's this gorgeous, beautiful browns and yellows and green color, and this is going to be the prize for this flower challenge. If you do not have YouTube and you don't post videos, that's completely fine. You can post a picture of your project on Instagram and then just tag me in that and I will put you down for an entry. This giveaway is not sponsored. You must be 18 years or older. Prizes for US only, so sorry about that due to postage, but anyone can enter, so please enter and join in on the fun hashtag. This is another great way to use your stash, meet new crafty friends. If you're interested in being a guest designer, please just shoot me an email. So let's see, for my project, I had a request for a Mother's Day card. Here's the project that I created. I love it so much. This is the inside. Let me show you some of the items that I used to create it. The first thing is this paper pad that I picked up on my last Hobby Lobby clearance. I was excited to finally open this one and actually use some of the pages from the inside. I did round all my corners with this old corner rounder that I have in my stash from a yard sale. I again am using this fun trim. I love this trim so much. Some of my ribbon I have started to put on some cardstock to help me sort and organize it. I'm not sure if that's going to work out for me. I'm trying some of it. And then this pom-pom trim from the dollar store. I had this flower die from AliExpress days at least 2 years ago. It was a pain in the neck to use, I'm not gonna lie. The middle of these flowers don't actually cut the outline of the flower. So when you're running it through your machine, you have to have the inside lined up with the outside. What I ended up doing was marking both dies so that I knew where to put these when I was running it through my machine, and then you have to just run the background through. I like how it came out, but it was a lot of work for these dies. So this was the die that I used. This is how it came out. I did put some stickles on the flowers. I tried doing a lot of inking with my Distress Oxides. I was inspired by Lisa. She had like gorgeous flowers. They look so gorgeous. So I was like, I'm going to try and recreate that. I will link her channel down below. I even took out like my spray bottle and I don't know what I did. I couldn't get the effect that I was looking for. These ended up turning out like really hard from all the water and inks that I was trying to use. I ended up going in with stickles and just doing a coat of that over the flowers and it turned out fine. I did use this stamp, the Happy Mother's Day. This is from Dossarella. I stamped it and then ran it through my brother's Scan and Cut so it would cut the outline because I wanted it to fit in this area. I pulled a doily from my stash, this little teeny tiny flower, and then I used this wooden flower. I made a little bow here where the flower meets the leaves. I did add some of my dewdrops. This is the month of May dewdrops. The colors are so pretty this month. Every package comes with a free sample. These are currently available on my Etsy shop, which is linked down below, or you could just send a message. That is it. That is the mid-monthly reminder for my May flower challenge. I have really enjoyed all of the channels that have already entered in this challenge, and I will be sure to link all of their channels down below so you could easily find their videos. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, for supporting my small business, for entering in these challenges. It has been a lot of fun for me. I've been enjoying it so much. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.